Headlines are filled with negativity, but the facts and what you can see yourself tell a much brighter story. Look at how busy shopping malls are, restaurants, and airports. Right now, unemployment's down to 3.9%, with 151,000 new jobs added in February alone. Inflation's cooled to just 2.8%, the lowest we've seen since 2021. Home sales are rebounding, up 4.2% last month, and manufacturing output grew nearly 1%. Small business optimism remains strong, above the 51-year average. I know many of you are concerned about tariffs, but remember, tariffs are not a threat, they're a tool. For over 50 years, tariffs have helped protect American industries, create jobs, and drive fair trade. Used strategically, they strengthen our economy and safeguard our independence. The media will always find something to worry about, but you don't need to. Focus on the facts, not the fear. If you have questions or concerns, our team is here to help you stay on course and build a long-term success.